Hey there guys, it's Audrey Hutton, your loan officer here. I just wanted to reach out with a really quick message that rates are incredibly low. So it takes 5 minutes for you to send me your current mortgage statement, and that way we can look at it. We have a big success story. This is happening a lot now. Our last client that we just had a consultation with, we're saving them $623 a month. They're rolling in a car payment that they had, they're rolling in some student debt, some other credit cards that were just climbing a little bit out of control with high interest rates. And their payment was just starting to look a little tight. Their cash flow is really tight. So if you could save $623 a month, just have that analysis and we'll do the consultation and just let you know. Maybe you don't need to pull cash out, but maybe we'll look at that as an alternative and let you decide if you want to make that move. But either way, we'll give you the options. It never hurts to look at it to see what benefit you can actually receive when we compare the data. So give us a call today. Don't hesitate. We never know how long these rates are going to be here for. And also don't be lured in by really low rate quotes that are being mailed to you, or if you have call centers calling you like crazy. There's a lot of hidden fees with those types of companies that they don't really tell you about until the end. So we've got a lot of phone calls about that too, where people were being quoted $10,000 and not being aware that they were paying that. So we'll help save it if you're in the middle of a refi and it's not going well. Just call me. We'll take care of you guys. All right. Hope you have a wonderful day and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.